Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time! 5 rounds of fighting for the heavyweight championship of the world. Introducing first, standing in the blue corner, this woman is a kung fu fighter. Standing 4 feet 8 inches tall, weighing in at 80 pounds. Fighting out of Canada, the Blood Bomber, Emily. In the red corner is a kung fu fighter. Standing 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighing in at 75 pounds. Fighting out of Ontario, the Thai Tornado, Keeyan.
They're allowed some music? Who knows?
I like that he's like whispering the time so the kids don't know how long we're going.
Those are cool.
I can't say anything now. Oh no!
Oh, nice one. Wait, this is gonna be on YouTube?
I don't know if I put these guys on.
In the head.
Youngest kids like this attracts the wrong kind of attention.
Shoot!
How about dudes like us?
Are they the only ones in their division?
Yes, that's I'm happy with that because these guys are not ready for these other kids.
Like where? I think he might be ahead on points because they take it. Oh, again, that move,
Who taught him that? Who taught him
that one?
Who did?
Showed him that one.
I did the other day.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, you got your points.
I think I could tie it.
See, buddy, in the Sub-Zero chest pad.
Pardon? Huh?
Chest pad? Yeah. No. Just look at the guy in the gold.
Oh, cool.
You should hang in there with him. He's a ninja.
Wait, so it's these 2 kids and those other 2 kids?
Just these two.
Oh,
They're not ready for
The mat surface is slippery, so it's easy to shoot in.
oh, okay. These guys are good strikers, though.
Oh, definitely.
Come on, stay aggressive. We only got a couple more minutes. Leave it all in the ring. Leave it all in the mat.
It's okay. We have a couple more minutes.
Leave it all on the mat. Let's go. Good work,
So
guys.
there's some music with that.
Go. Is it round 1? Oh. Watch, Keeyan. Cheer on your brother. Cheer on your sister. You want to go for Keeyan or something? Oh. Drive it. Out it. Uh-oh. She's got that move down. Wow, he's smart. He's not gonna put her in that headlock anymore. He'll just roll out of it. Come on, kick out the ground, Keeyan.
Did you get a submission?
Uh-oh.
Carl. Oh.
Come on.
No, I mean like during this.
Uh-oh, those legs are right. Okay, you got your points. Go on. You got your points.
But he cut it up pretty well. Yeah, he was good. I swear, his arms were diagonally. I dropped back.
That's it.
Yeah, I was watching that.
Keeyan, roll over. Push her down.
I was like, yes.
Push her down.
What? I thought he got 2 with him.
Oh, yeah, smart ass. Smart.
I knew he was going to do it, so I sat there. Oh, yeah? Are you watching the video too?
See that kickback throw, huh?
Okay.
Oh!
Is that your brother over there? Oh, yeah.
Is he your
Get on him, get on him.
Huh?
Is your brother your hero? You like your brother? He's awesome, isn't he? He's awesome for a brother.
Is that Ethan? No?
Oh, no, that's it's Keeyan. Guys, watch out, guys. They're trying to take your brother. Oh, that's it. Someone get take that. Oh! Oh! Get those knees up. If you stop, don't stop.
Mommy, when can we go back to the hotel?
Go Come on, Keeyan, get it back, get it back. Get it back.
And go in the pool and hot.
Cool.
We had
Keeyan loses, he has to dye his hair blonde. If she loses, she becomes a blonde. Work in there, work in there, work in there. Come on, don't spin. Push and pull. Don't spin. Push and pull. No.
That's me.
Get that knee up, Keeyan.
So that
Ah!
It's a good thing to take them because they need to walk, right? When you see yourself do something,
Oh no! Protect your neck! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
he's at home in London. No, this is just
Uh-oh, boys. Oh, he's fighting out of it! How long's this round?
Open the door.
Good job.
Oh, Dan, shut up, shut up, shut up. Good work, guys.